Hello, it's Brad from Blackburn Audi. Got another short video to show you around our Audi S3. You can see this is in Masano red with the chrome grille. The S3 logo in on the front as usual. We have LED daytime running lights. S3 logo and brake discs. Power folding mirrors, privacy glass at the rear, move on into the boot. As you can see, this has had a boot liner in, so it's in very good condition. Moving around the car, you can see this is a Sportback, so we have 5 doors, full leather interior. Moving on to the front, have the S3 logo on the flat bottom steering wheel. We have satellite navigation, climate control with heated front seats, and a manual transmission. This particular car has covered 23,000 miles. If you'd like any further information or a test drive, please contact myself, Brad, at Blackburn Audi. Thanks for watching.